Out on the West Coast, where it all began, down in California, some call the Promised Land, live the Mongols MC. They stand a head above the rest. Yeah, we met the challenge, we passed the test. Now, at the heart of those brothers that stand a head above the rest live Chapter 13, the best of the best. The chapter was established back in '74 when a brother named Mello opened the door. Up in Delano one hot summer night, old Mello got into a fight. He beat in some faces and kicked in some ass, then sat down at the bar to finish his glass. When it was time to call it a night, old brother Mello went out to his bike. But the cowardly punks he'd whipped in the bar were laying in wait outside by their car. They shot and they shot and they shot through their sights, and then they ran off like rats in the night. Our brother lay dead. He chartered Chapter 13, the best of the best, a Mongols MC. Now over the years, the chapter has grown, the numbers add up, old Mello's not alone. The reason for this is known far and wide. We never back down, we live Mongol pride. So if you should go there and meet my old bros, better watch what you say, don't step on no toes. You're in Mongol country, and it's real plain to see. We're Mongols forever, forever Mongols MC.
So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you.